Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to allow Roblox to use camera on PC. So you just need to guys uh, click on three dot over here and go to settings. Now go to in privacy. In privacy you have to scroll down and here you will see the camera permission. You just need to enable the second option, use camera to animate avatar with your movement. Click on it and enter the pin number if you have account with pin number, and once you enter the pin number your camera will be allowed in the game, and the red dot indicates that, so no sorry, the green dot indicates that Roblox is using on camera. So once you enable the camera from here, now you can use it in the game without any verification. You don't need to use anything to get my camera. And now if you're not being able to use camera, then you can search for camera permission as well on PC. Search for it and allow Roblox to use your camera. So you can search for your application, like you can search for Roblox app. So right now all these application here which are using Roblox, so make sure this camera access is enabled from here. Keep this option enabled so anyone can use your camera webcam. So yeah, now just open any game that supports my camera as communication and enable the camera from the, so I'll show you how can you do that. Now guys, once you open the game, so you can test your camera on this game as well. So just click on this, can you see this option, this cube option over here on the top left? Just click on it and expand this option and click on this. So you can also open directly from here. So I just disabled it from here. Oh, that's I mistakenly disabled the webcam. Oh yeah, here it is. So when you click on, when you allow the camera from the permission, it will start tracking yourself in the webcam. Here you can see, just click on this option video icon over here to enable camera, but make sure to enable it. So to use this feature, just enable the camera as I told you in the previously and you will be able to use it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.